I had an email yesterday, and it was about a dinosaur footprint, right? And I thought it was like this one. The sea is now coming around the other dinosaur footprint, an Ankylosaurus footprint, and this isn't as clear as the one we've just seen. And just Richard, quickly, I know you've got to go shopping, just tell me how you found it quickly. Go for it.
Literally, I was just walking past, and it's sort of like knee height, so I was sort of looking down where I was walking and just caught my eye, I guess. And yeah, and shouted for Lily to come and have a look at it. And
that for Lily will be a moment in her life.
Yeah.
Because she's made that little discovery. That's a moment in her life.
Absolutely.
And it's
a big dinosaur fan now.
Exactly. And I tell you what, right? That is such an amazing find, and I got to be honest with you, on behalf of the nation, right? Oh no, seriously now, on behalf of the nation, that artifact, when it's displayed with the other dinosaur footprints, being that's really, really clear, we thank you, and we look forward to more finds along this coastline. So this is Lily over there with her boots. There's little Lily, and this is Richard, and this is Sally. And George over there, George. And just quickly, and this is me, KARL-JAMES. It's been wonderful coming down here today. Thank you very much for watching.